How to upload photos to Google Drive and share the access. Let's get started. Launch your Google Drive. Now firstly you can create a folder. For that, click on this option. Click on the option create folder. Give it a name. Once you have created the folder, navigate to that folder. Now over there you can upload photos. Click on the plus option. Select the option upload file. Click on the option photos and videos. With that, your gallery will open up. Go ahead and select the pictures that you want to upload. You can select multiple pictures, then click on the option upload. Once the picture has been uploaded, now how to show access. For that, what you want to do is click on three dots given at the top right. Different options will appear. Click on the option Manage Access. Click on this Add Friends option. Now go ahead and type in the email address of the person to whom you want to share this folder. After you type in, you can also add a message. Once you are done, send it. Likewise, click on this drop down for the email address that you have chosen to send. You can select it as viewer, commenter, or editor. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. The person will get access according to the option that you have set. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.